Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel, Rythme Français. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about which topic? I think we already know it. So, let's start. Today, we are going to do ER ending verbs. So, as I have already told you, we have three categories of verbs, ER, IR, and RE. In this particular video, we are going to learn about the ER ending verbs. So, they are very simple. Verbs. Now, what are verbs? The first question that comes is, what are verbs? Verbs is the action that you do. Similarly, in French, there are different ways to categorize the actions. In three categories, I repeat, ER, IR, and RE. In this particular video, we are going to learn about the ER ending verbs. Okay, I hope I am clear to you guys. Let's start. C'est parti! Now, there are ways and rules to conjugate the ER ending verbs. So, all verbs whose infinitive means the original form, which ends in the ER, belong to this group except the irregular verb ale. Ale, I would like to tell you that this is the verb that I've already told you guys how to conjugate this verb. So I have added the link in the description box below. If you need to go and check how ale is conjugated, you can go and check that video out. Okay, so I repeat, all verbs whose infinitive form ends in er belong to this group except irregular verb ale, and they are pretty regular, following a common conjugation pattern. So all the er verbs, not all, but almost all the er verbs, they follow one pattern of the conjugation except the irregular verb ale. How are the normal ER verbs conjugated? So let's have a look on them. The present tense of all the ER verbs are conjugated by removing ER endings and adding to the radical of the verb, that is, to the remaining of the verb. So what I mean to say is, you take the verb, you remove ER, and you add the endings that I have written just now. So they are E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. I repeat, what you have to do is you have to take the original form of the ER ending verb. Okay, the original verb. Then you have to remove the ER and then you have to add these endings, that is E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. I hope guys I'm clear to you. But don't worry, I have added an example for you guys too. Now, let's take an example in the verb parler. Parler means to speak. So here the ending is er. Okay. So it is an er ending verb and the remaining part is the radical. So we remove the er from parler. What are we left with? P-A-R-L. That means parler. It is the radical. In the radical form, we add the endings that I have just told you. So let's see. For example, je parle. Je parle. We'll add an extra E. Tu parles. We'll add ES. Elle, on parle. We simply add an E. Nous parlons. We add ONS. Vous parlez. We add EZ. Elle parle. So we don't pronounce this as parlent. Please guys, don't do that. Beginners often make these mistakes. We simply do elle parle. Parle. We never conjugate ENT. So we simply say elle parle. So I repeat in little speed. Je parle. Tu parles. Elle, on parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle, elle parle. I hope guys I'm clear to you. If you have any doubt, then don't hesitate to write in the comment section below or mail us on lerythmefrancais@gmail.com. Now, let's look some other verbs, other regular ER verbs which are conjugated in the same manner. The first one is aimer. Aimer means to love. There is just one difference. I've already told you that two articles, they never come together in French. So when you will conjugate aimer verb with je, then you don't have to write je. You will simply write j apostrophe m, j apostrophe, and then you will conjugate aimer verb with je. So it is only with vowels, so please be careful. Aimer means to love. It is conjugated in the same way. The next one is habiter. Habiter means to live. The next word is chanter. Chanter means to sing. The next verb is inviter. Inviter means to invite. Donner means to give. Jouer means to play. Demander means to ask. Marcher means to walk. Détester, to hate. Préférer is to prefer. Déjeuner is to have lunch. Préparer is to prepare. Écouter is to listen. Regarder is to watch. Étudier is to study. Travailler is to work. Fermer is to close. Visiter is to visit. Gagner is to win or to earn. Bavarde means to chat or to gossip. So these are all the ER verbs that are conjugated in the same way, in the same manner, in the same pattern that I have taught you. So guys, this is an activity for you. You have to conjugate these same verbs and send us on the email ID so that we can check, and if there is any mistake, I'll tell you. And if you face any problem in understanding this concept, don't hesitate to write in the comment section below or mail us on lerythmefrancais@gmail.com. And now, finally, the main part. Thank you guys for watching our video till the end. Merci pour votre attention. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. And also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get updated for our next videos. Thank you guys. Have a safe day. Stay home. Stay safe.